I don't know if you guys notice anything, but the tree that's holding up the front corner of our treehouse, there are no leaves on it. The leaves are out, or have at least started to come out. Probably have to contact an arborist to make sure this thing is healthy, because if it isn't, we're gonna have to put a post like this over here, which not ideal, but it'll work. Man, that thing was dead, huh? Ooh. Well, it's been a few hours, but the guys from Husky Tree Service out of Limington, Maine just left. And if anybody needs tree work done, those guys they're fantastic. So highly recommended. Let me show you what they get done. The bridge got a bit of a workout today, but held up nicely. I gotta get up and clean some of the sawdust off, but well, there you go. If you guys remember this one, it's one of the supports. Holds the corner of the treehouse, but it's cut maybe, I don't know, 7 feet from the deck. So, and we're going to end up kind of putting a post below this, just like over there. And then these two are gone. These things are really, really bad shape. Kind of surprised they lasted that long, but so they left those at probably 7 feet tall, which is perfect. They also did a little trimming. Took some branches off this tree. This oak on the corner, they checked the top, so the top's it's more alive than it is dead. So we decided to leave that, and I took off a few of the dead branches. And whoop, I'm right in the sun. Had a few big dead branches up here on this corner oak, so they took those off. So just a fantastic job. So now I'm still waiting for Jayme. She's going to be up here tonight, but I think I'm going to go down and we've talked about cleaning a few of these trees out to open up the view a little more. Maybe just leaving, I don't know, 3 to 5 good size trees down there. So I'm going to go down and cut some of the smaller stuff. Well, like I said, Husky Tree Service guys are fantastic. They were done probably only took them 2 or 3 hours, I guess, to get all this work done. A crew of 4, so they move quick. That's those are the 2 in the middle that were pretty dead. Here's a look from down here. Looks quite a bit different. So like I said, we'll put, just like the post over there, we'll probably next spring dig a hole for the footing and then put another 6x8 post on top of it. Connect it to that glue lamb up there, and then do kind of some cabling, just like an X pattern to tie the 2 posts together so they can't move. And this thing should be pretty solid. My favorite spot, Spider Central. I think they're gone. I think it's too cold. When I got here this morning, it was 28 degrees, so get my saw and back out of here slowly. All right, we'll cut some small stuff. So that opened it up quite a bit. Like I said, we'll get Jayme's feedback before I keep cutting. It's easy to, I can take them down, I can't put them back up. Oh, it's bright. Good morning. Jayme made it here last night, so today we're going to spend a little time cleaning up some of the trees I cut yesterday. Let's start a little fire out here and burn some of this brush and see if we can get things picked up around here.
We're running maintenance today and burning things and trying to get this place cleaned up a little bit after the trees were taken down. That beautiful little white cap there sticking up, that is Mount Washington in the distance. And there's some pretty foliage happening. I think we're beyond the peak right now, but it still looks pretty gorgeous. There's our fire. Trying to get rid of some of the brush and whatnot.
So we're going to spend the rest of today cleaning up the branches and the trees we cut down. And then I think next weekend we want to, ideally, if the weather holds out, we'll get our footer dug for the post that has to go in where we cut the tree, top of the tree off. And make sure that's 100% secure before we start the platform. We're beat.
I'm so tired.
How many loads do you think we put in that fire?
We had 2 or 3 brush piles.
Yeah, we probably put
And then
6 or 7.
Construction wood piles.
Yeah, we probably had 6 or 7 bucket loads behind us of debris, cut-offs, branches, brush, all kinds of garbage. So we're tired.
Oh my god, so tired. Closed my exercise ring already.
I'm sure I didn't even check mine, but... So we're just hanging out by the fire and taking a break. So that's it. We're done.
We're done.
Done for the weekend.
Yeah, it was... What did we do?
I don't know. Seems like we did a lot of brush burning and cutting firewood, just cleaning up and getting ready for the winter, but the trees are down off the deck.
Yep.
So I think the next step is to put a post in to reinforce the tree that's there. We're going to try to do that before snow flies, hopefully by next weekend.
And then we might be closing up shop here for the winter.
We'll probably close it up for the winter. Jump back on the bathroom project.
Yay.
So hopefully we can finish that. Check that off the list. All right. Thanks, guys.
Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe.
Yes, thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Murray, hey, what are you doing, buddy?